All right, do you have the BMW and you want to know where the fuses are on the obd2 is here. So basically you have to push this in and you're going to be able to take it out. So basically this is what you see here. That is what you have to pull in order to take it out. And the fuses are here. So to me, this is like poorly designed. Imagine if you're on the road and you have to remove the panel, you have to have, you know, a special tip here in order to remove the screws, and this is crazy. Imagine I have a camera here. Imagine if you have to remove the fender just to access the fuses or the obd2. This is crazy, but hopefully this is helpful for you. So if you need anything, just let me know in the section below what I'm thinking about this. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to make a hole here so that way I can have easy access here. So if I have to check the computer easily, that will be the best place. For the fuses and everything else, I'm going to leave it the way it is. It's going to be too much work to, you know, rearrange everything, or they should have some panel, something that is easy to access. This is crazy.